Welcome to Vim Tip of the Day, day 29. So today I wanted to show you how to split windows and work with multiple files. You just open up file number 1. So in file number 1, while I'm doing editing, I would like to maybe edit a different file. So what I could do is hit Ctrl-W and V to split the screen vertically. And after I split it, both windows are opening with the same file, but I would like to edit a different file. So I do escape, edit a different file. So file2.darts. So now between the left window and the right window, they are two different files. Then if you wanted to open up a third file, you can split the screen again using Ctrl-W, S for splitting it horizontally. So now I have file 2 now duplicated on the top and the bottom window. So now I can edit a third file. So I do edit file3.darts. So now you can see I have inside one terminal screen, I have 3 windows with 3 different files. So now to navigate between these 3 windows, I use Ctrl-W. If I want to go to the right, then I use L to go to the right. If I want to go back to the left, I do Ctrl-W-H. Now I'm on file 3. If I want to go down, I do Ctrl-J. So using basic navigation, you can then navigate across the different windows. So after you're done with windows, you can do Ctrl-W to close it. So Ctrl-W, C to close. And then if you want it to only have one single window, then you do Ctrl-W, O for one window. That's it. So I hope that was useful to you. Thank you for watching.